Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning. So, how are you all?
Good morning.
Fine, thank
Fine?
you. Thank you. How are you,
Fine.
ma'am?
So, children, maybe because of board 7, the children, they are joining late. Now, only 22 participants. So, how to compare the fractions? We know already if the fractions are like. So, what is like fractions? Who can tell me? Like fractions.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can we attend?
Who is calling me?
Ma'am,
Yes. Okay, Iman, can you tell me what is like fractions?
Then the fractions which have the same denominator
Same
is called like
denominator.
fraction.
So if the fraction have same denominator, how we can compare the numerators? How you can
Ma'am,
compare?
if the
We had to.
denominators are same, we will look at the numerators.
Then how you can
So
understand whether
which
they are
one is big?
large?
That is
The numerator with.
ma'am. So which numerator has the biggest number? That will be the.
Okay, so which numerator is big? We know that fraction is bigger. Now, if the numerators are same and the denominators are different. Yes, Gautam. Numerators are same, but the denominators are different. So, how we can compare?
we will look at the. Ma'am, we will look at the denominator.
Denominator
Which
and
denominator is
which
bigger?
denominator?
It is lesser.
Which denominator is big? That fraction is small. Okay, that fraction is small. So children, how to compare fractions, what we will do, we will make the denominators same. So how we can make the denominators same? By finding yes, Anandesh.
By making the denominator same.
We have to make the
LCM.
uh,
LCM.
LCM, least common multiple. So children, if you don't know if the denominators are different, it is not easy to compare. So what we will do to make the comparison easy, we will make the denominators same by finding the LCM. And also I have given you short method. What is that? Cross multiply. Cross multiply also we can do to check whether the
Cross
fractions
multiply
are
LCM. Cross multiply and
cross
LCM
multiply.
method.
Also, we can find out the fractions whether it is small or big. Now, children, we will do question number 20, I think. Yes? Yes, Adil, tell me which question we completed in the last class. Adil, Shafiq, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the workbook with you?
Yes, ma'am.
We completed 19 questions, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read question number 20.
Nizam did 3 by 7 of his painting in school and 2 by 5 of the painting at home. Where did he paint more?
More. 3 by 7 and 2 by 5 you have to compare. And 3 by 7 of the painting he has done in school and 2 by 5 he has done at home. We have to find out which fraction is bigger, and you have to find out which fraction is bigger. So we will understand where he has done more, in the school or home. Quickly cross multiply and tell me which fraction is bigger. Without finding the LCM, I have given you short method.
3 by 7.
3 by 7. How you know? 3 into 5. What is 3 into 5?
3 by 7. 15.
3 into 5 is 15.
15.
7 twos are 14. So
So 3 by
15
7
is
is
bigger.
bigger. 3 by
Okay.
7 is bigger.
Okay, very good. So children, with cross multiplication, quickly we can find out. But to find the LCM, 1 minute. To find the LCM, here 1 minute, children. Here, what happened here? One minute. Okay, so children, to find what is happening here, to find the fractions whether it is big or small, we can quickly cross multiply. Okay, I mean. Otherwise, we will find LCM. Why we are finding more LCM? It will help us to do add and subtract unlike fraction that we have to do in the next chapter 9.4. So that's why we are doing more practice with the LCM. So what we can write? We have to write question number 20A. So, again, can you tell me the first sentence? How we can write the first sentence? Nizam did 3 by 7 of his painting in school. So, what is
Fraction
it?
of painting Nizam did in school.
Okay, fraction. We are writing here fraction. Okay, fraction of painting. Okay, children, you can start. We can do together. Fraction of painting. This is page number 25. Page number 25. Question number 20A. Fraction of painting Nizam did at school. Nizam did at school. At school, he has done 3 by 7. And we've already find out using cross multiplication method, 3 by 7 is big fraction. That is, he has done more painting in the school. Next one, we can write fraction of painting done at home. So I will write here at home. At home, he has done
2 by 5.
2 by 5. Next one, children, I told you we will find LCM because we are practicing LCM. Here I told you 7 and 5, if they are prime numbers, they have no common factors. So how we can do the LCM? By
5 into 7.
By just to multiply the denominators, 5 into 7. So the LCM is, children, 3 into 5 into 7, that is 35. Now 3 by 7, children, you know, multiplied by which number? Find out. You should make 35. So 5 into 7. So 7 is already here. So you have to multiply it by the other number. Find out. Also 2 by 5. You know, the other number is 7. You have to multiply it by 7. So you'll get, anyway, both the case, the denominator will be same. Yes, Daniel, can you please unmute and tell me the answer here? 5 threes are 5 into 3. I cannot hear. Yes, Chinmay. Can you speak?
Yes, ma'am.
5 threes are
5 3 are 15.
15. So this is what when we cross multiply, we are getting 5 threes. We are do cross multiplication. We are multiplying the other denominator. 2 into 7?
14.
14. So clearly 15 is bigger. So we can write here 15 by 35. 15 by 35 is greater than 14 by 35. Children, you have to remember that you have to do B also. So don't take all the lines, then you will not get place to write question number B. So 15 by 35 is greater than 14 by 35. So therefore, Nizam painted more in school. So you know 15 by 35. 15 by 35 is equivalent to 3 by 7. So 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 5. So the last sentence you can write. So the last sentence is, therefore, Nizam painted more in school. So children, you can write that. Therefore, Nizam painted more in school. Children, please mute your audio. More in school. Okay, next one we are going to do question number B. Yes, Anandesh, read question number B. Anandesh, question number B. Yes, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Read question number B.
Ram swam 4 by 5 of a lap and Shyam swam 6 by 10 of a lap in the same time. Who swam a shorter distance?
Distance. Okay. So cross multiply and tell me who ran shorter. 4 into 10, 40, 5 into 6.
Ma'am, Shyam.
Shyam swam shorter distance. So when you cross multiply, you will get 40 and 5 into 6, 30. So that is, and how you can find out the LCM also? It's 5 into 2. So children, you can find out the LCM of 5 and 10. So easily that you can find out that LCM is also 10. Because you know 5 into 2, you will get a 10. So children, we can start the sentence. So what can be the first step? Fraction of a lap completed by Ram. Okay, children, start. Fraction. Fraction of a lap completed by Ram. Ram completed 4 by 5. Next one by Shyam. Fraction of a lap completed by Shyam. Shyam completed, how much we have? 6 by 10. 6 by 10. So find out the LCM. LCM of 5 and 10. LCM of, we can write here, LCM of 5, 10. Can easily find out. Here we can multiply it by 5. Yes?
That's 5.
Huh?
That's 5.
LCM, least common multiple.
That's 5.
No, 5 into 10. We had to do here. 2 is there here. So 5 into 2. What is 5 into 2?
10.
10. So the LCM is what? 10. Now multiply 4 by 5. By which number you will get 10? Four by 5, you have to make 10. So you have to multiply by which number? 5 into 2. Same you have to do on the numerator. 4 into 2, 5 into 2. So you'll get here 8 by 10. The next one, no need to do anything because already we have the LCM. So just we will multiply by 1 because we have already the denominator as 10. Why we are finding the LCM? Because we want to make the denominator same. then it will be easy for to compare. So here 8 by 10, 6 by 10. So which is big? 8 is
8
big.
by 10.
But here children who swam a shorter distance. So you have to write which is less. So 6 by 10 is less than 8 by 10. So 6 by 10. That means Shyam swam a shorter distance. Next one we will write therefore. Therefore, Shyam swam a shorter distance than Ram. Shorter distance than Ram. Children, try to make the space, because we have question number 20A and question number 20B also is there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ananda Krishnan is asking to show previous board.
Yes, children. So here we have the question is Ram swam 4 by 5 of a lap. So we can write fraction of lap completed by Ram 4 by 5. For the Shyam, it is 6 by 10. Now we are finding the LCM. Look at why we are finding the LCM, to make the denominators same. So when you do multiplied by 2, you will get 5 times 2 is 10. So 6 by 10 is less than 8 by 10. So 6 by 10, that is for Shyam. Shyam swam shorter distance than Ram. Okay, children, it's completed. Let me see. Completed question number 20. Yes, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show the therefore method?
Ma'am, the
Huh?
excuse me,
Which
ma'am.
method? 1 minute time.
Ma'am, therefore Shyam that one.
You want to see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about Ayman? 1 minute.
Ma'am, the 22nd question, ma'am, I wrote.
Wait. We will complete today. Okay. Wait. So children, do it fast. We can complete now 21 and 22 now. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I wrote fraction swam by Ram.
Okay. No problem. We should know who Shyam or Ram. Shorter distance. That only the sentence you can write anyway. No problem.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I have speech. First question.
ma'am, we can write Shyam swam a shorter distance.
Yes, we can write Shyam swam shorter distance. If you want to write distance than Ram, it's okay. Yes, Angelina, over. Completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Can I read the next question?
Wait. Yes, Angelina, start. All others, please mute and listen.
Okay, ma'am. Color the figures to represent the given fractions and compare them. 5 by 8 and 3 by 4.
So it is given 5 by 8 and 3 by 4. So they are asking you to look at the picture and you have to
Color the
compare.
figures
Compare.
to represent.
Okay. So shade. Children, you have to do 5 by 8 and 3 by 4. And
Ma'am,
see
in that
which
circle
fraction
we should
is
shade.
shade with pencil.
Ma'am, 3 by 4 is larger.
Shaded with the color pencil.
No problem. You can do with color pencil, but it will take time.
3 by 4. Ma'am, shade with Ma'am, 3 by 4 with pencil. 3 by 4. 3 by 4.
3 by 4 is bigger. So all the children do, if before doing, when you say the answers, The children before coloring, they will write the answers. They will. So what you have to do, children, here? It is given question number 21. It is given circle. Another circle also here. And 5 by 8. 5 by 8. The next one is 3 by 4. 3 by 4, very easy to divide. Make it like. So children, 5 by 8 also we will start like that. We will first make 4 parts equally. Make it equal. Then divide it again. So I am dividing 5 parts. I will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here also I will start with the same 1, 2, 3. So looking at the picture itself, children, you can understand which is bigger. Here we have this much portion not shaded. Okay. And here only this much portion not shaded. Okay. So from the picture itself, it is clear, which is, yes, Madhav, look at the picture and tell me, Madhav. Unmute. Look at the picture and tell me which fraction is bigger. Check whether you can unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at the picture and tell me which fraction is bigger, which fraction is more colored, more shaded.
8.
Huh?
5 by 8.
5 by 8 is more colored. Here we can see from the picture it is colored this much part.
Okay, ma'am. 3 by 4.
3 by 4 is colored more. Here we can see only this much part. So children, looking at the picture, 3 by 4. Now you can use that other method I show you, 3 by 4 and 5 by 8. Cross multiply 8 into 3, 24.
24.
4 into 5, 20. So which is big? 24. So 3 by 4 is greater. Okay. This, if you have any doubt, children, easy method, you can do the cross multiplication method. So you should know 8 into 3 stands for 3 by 4. When you do 3 by 4, that is equal to 24. Here, 5 into 4 is 20. So clearly. So children, 3 by 4 is greater than, we can write the step. 3 by 4 is greater than 5 by 8. The figure. Okay, next one, children. Isha, can you read question number 22?
Arrange the fractions 3 by 8, 5 by 6, 2 by 4, 1 by 3, and 6 by 8 in the descending order.
Okay. Don't unmute. Okay, I will ask you. Isha, are the fractions like or unlike? Check the denominator and tell me.
Unlike, but
Unlike.
two of the
So
fractions
how you can make like fractions? We have to find
LCM.
LCM. Very good. We have to find the LCM. Yes, Agnay, you have something to ask? We have to find the LCM of?
Ma'am, for 21st question, the lines should be equal.
Huh? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, question number 22, children. Here we have, okay, John Sibi. We have to find the LCM of, what are the numbers here, denominators? 8, 6, 4, 3, 8. 5 numbers we will write together. Yes, Anandesh?
Ma'am, can you share the screen again?
Okay, question number 22, children, you have to, this I am just showing, looking at the picture, it is clear that 3 by 4 is greater than
Ma'am, only this much.
Only this much. Or we can write the figure represented by 3 by 4 is greater than the figure represented by 5 by 8. Therefore, 3 by 4 is greater than 5 by 8. Okay. Now we are going to do question number 22. So children,
Ma'am, ma'am, we should find the
LCM.
LCM.
Together we will do. Okay. So we can do together, children. Question number 22. That first step, what we can arrange the fractions in descending order. Devak, can you tell me what is meant by descending? Descending order means what?
Greater to smallest.
Greatest to smallest.
Smallest.
And ascending, children, we know from smallest to greatest. So how we can compare the fraction? We have to make like fractions. So what we are going to do? We are going to do find the LCM. So the fractions are, so first step we will write the answer. The fractions are, children write with me, the fractions are. You have to look at the question and write the fractions. The fractions are 3 by 8. Now it is not given in the ascending or descending order. We have to make them in the descending order. 5 by 6, 2 by 4, 1 by 3 and
6 by 8.
6 by 8. So look at the denominators. They are different. So what we are going to do? We are going to do the LCM. 8, 6, 4, 3, 8. So we will start with 2. Children, don't forget to put the comma here. We are, there is all are 5 different numbers. So we'll start with the 2. 4 2s are 8. Can you tell me? Yes, Manu. 4 2s are 8. Now 6 divided by 2.
3,
3. Okay. Now 4 divided by 2.
2,
2. 3 we cannot divide, so we will write it the same. Again,
4,
8 divided by 2, 4. Okay. Now we will do again 2. Okay. Yes. 4 divided by 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Write 3 the same because we cannot
ma'am,
divide.
1,
2 divided by 2 is 1. Very good. 3 also we will write it same.
2,
2. Okay. Now again we will do 2. 2 divided by 2.
1,
1. 3 we will write it the same. 1. 3 divided by 3 again.
1.
No,
Again.
here we will write 3 the same. Because children here we are going to divide. Okay, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, now next one we have only 3 here. 1. 3 divided by 3. Now
1.
all the numbers became 1. Now find out the LCM.
12. Ma'am, 12.
Okay, 2 into 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 3. Find out, is it 12 or 2 into 2, again 2, again 3.
Ma'am, 24. 24.
24, yes, 2 to 4, 2 into 2 is 4, 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Okay, now children, what do you have to do? 3 by 8, check by which number you have to multiply to get the denominator 24.
3.
So find out like this, or the same denominator, multiply and find out the equivalent fractions. Children, do it alone. We have to make 24. So 3 times 8, 8 times 3. So here also we have 9 by 24. So this is equivalent fraction for 3 by 8. Next one, 5 by 6. Multiply by which number to get 24?
4.
4. Like the children, find out all the equivalent fractions. So here you will get 20 by 24. Do it properly. We have, after finding this, you have to write the fractions in descending order. Okay. Now next one, 2 by 4. One by 3.
Ma'am, after we find the equivalent fractions, we should write descending is
Yes.
equal to 100.
First we had to find the equivalent fractions. Then we had to write the fractions in descending order. All the children find out alone how to make equivalent fractions. Find the LCM. So children, here we have 9 by 24. That fraction is equal to 3 by 8. And here we have 20 by 24, that is equivalent to 5 by 6. 12 by 24, that is equivalent to 2 by 4. 8 by 24, that is equivalent to 1 by 3. 18 by 24, 6 by 8.
Ma'am, we should write this first is 9 by 24, then 3 by 8.
No. First we will start with the equivalent fractions, then we will go to original. Okay, so which is here, which numerator is big? Descending. Devak already told that descending means start from greater. Yes. So which numerator is big here? 20 by 24. So we will start 20 by 24 is the greatest one. Which is the next one? So we have written already this one. So after 20, which one we have to write?
18 by 24.
18 by 24. After 18 by 24, if you have written, you can children write down.
12 by 24.
After 18 by 24, check which is the next one. 12 by 24.
Write 24.
12 by 24. So we have written 12 by 24 also. Now we have 8 by 24 and 9 by 24. So which is big? 9 by 24. Again we have 9 by 24, then 8 by 24. Okay, now we can write the fractions equivalent to that. What is 20 by 24? 5 by 6. Children, understood? That's why I circled here 3 by 8, that is equivalent to 9 by 24. 5 by 6, that is equivalent to 20 by 24. 2 by 4, that is equivalent to 12 by 24. 1 by 3 and 8 by 24. 6 by 8 and 18 by 24. Now, we have written in descending means bigger to small. So, Devak, tell me the original numbers in descending order. Now, I am going to erase this because we have already written. You have to tell me. 20 by 24 is equivalent to?
5 by 6.
5 by 6. So, 5 by 6 greater. Yes, then?
6 by 8.
6 by 8. Okay. After?
2 by 4. 2 by 4.
2 by 4.
3 by 8.
After that, we have 3 by 8.
1 by 3. 1 by 3.
So, this is the descending order of the given fractions. Okay, children? Understood? So, how we made equivalent fractions? By finding the LCM. So, all the denominators became 24. So, that means they are now like fractions. Now, it is easy to compare the numerator. Easy to compare the numerators. So, children, did you finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, have you completed? So, first we had to find out the LCM. make the fractions.
Yes, ma'am, we completed.
Fractions.
Ma'am, I wrote real fractions down of that like fractions.
Okay. Anyway, children, please check again. I am showing the board again. So first we will write the fractions, that equivalent fractions, 20 by 24, that is greater than 18 by 24.
When time is over.
That is also 12 by 24. That is greater than 9 by 24. And that is greater than 8 by 24. Now write the real fractions. 5 by 6, greater than 6 by 8, greater than 2 by 4. That is greater than 3 by 8. That is greater than 1 by 3. So children, I hope you have completed. Ayman, can you tell me the time for this class?
Ma'am, 12:10.
No. Look at your timetable.
12:15.
You know the time? Yes.
Ma'am,
Your time
30 minutes
is
finished.
12:15.
12:15.
We have 2 more minutes, 3-4 minutes. Okay, children. So is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So children, we have completed 9.3, that is compare unlike fractions. In our next period, we will start add and subtract unlike fractions. Okay, children. Bye. Bye. Yes. Okay, bye. Thank you.